Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix security update KB5079473, not installing on Windows 11. First, run some system repair commands. Type CMD in the Windows search bar, right-click Command Prompt, and run it as administrator. Then run the SFC and DISM commands one by one. After all scans are complete, restart your computer and check for updates again. If the update still doesn't install, open Windows Settings, Windows Update. Click Pause Updates, wait a few seconds, and then click Resume Updates. If you see the Retry option, click it and try installing the update again. Next, type Services in Windows Search and open it. Find App Readiness, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Windows Update. Set each service to automatic. Start them if they are stopped, and then restart the services. You can also install the update manually. Go to the Microsoft Update Catalog, search for KB5079473, download the correct version for your Windows version and system type, and install it manually. If the issue still continues, go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, then choose Fix Problems using Windows Update to reinstall Windows while keeping your files and apps. As a last step, you can use the Media Creation tool to download the latest Windows 11 ISO and run Setup with the option Keep Personal Files and Apps selected. One of these methods should help you install the update successfully. Thanks for watching, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel.